Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. We have into bracket the cube root of 23x exponent 3 plus the cube root of 59x exponent 9 plus the cube root of 125x exponent 27 all square. So we believe we know board mass. So we will solve the one in a bracket first. But we are going to begin with the cube root, the last cube root. And if you can remember from indices, a cube root of a is a exponent 1/3, meaning this is going to be 125 x exponent 27 1/3. And you can also remember, if I have two numbers that are multiplying, we distribute the power on each of them, meaning 125 exponent 3 times x exponent 27 times exponent 1/3. So we distribute that. This is also 5 exponent 3, 127, 125, then times this. We still multiply x exponent of 27 divided by 3 if you multiply. Alright, you can see that this will cancel this, right? Then this will go into 27 9 times, meaning 5x exponent 9 will be the simplification from here. Alright, so let's substitute that into it. So that become the root of the into bracket cube root of all 23x exponent 3 plus the cube root of 59x exponent 9 plus what we had. And from that side, we were having 5x exponent what? 9. Right? And you can see this 59x exponent 9 plus 5x exponent 9, they are under the same root, right? They are under the same root, so we can easily add them in that root sign. So I'll be having cube root of 23x exponent 3 plus the cube root of 59 plus 5. I believe we get 64. Then x exponent 9, we are adding. Don't forget, the addition means add only the coefficient. So that gives rise to only the 9. We are not going to add the exponent because we are not multiplying. They are adding. So this is algebraic expression. They are like terms. We pick the coefficient and we add them together. They will bring back the x exponent 9. Alright, still to the power 2. So now we need to also work on this in the bracket. This is also means 64 x exponent 9 raised to the power 1/3, the cube root, right? And the cube root we distribute. This is also going to be 4 exponent 3, that's 64, times 1 exponent 3 times x exponent 9 times 1 exponent 3. We distribute the power on each of the terms. So we know here will give us 4 times x exponent 3, right? In the expansion or the multiplication of the powers. So the whole of this becomes, let's say, the cube root of 23x exponent 3. We know this gives us 4, right? And 4x exponent 3. That also we had from that cancellation from here. Alright. Now the same root. So we add the numbers under it, meaning the cube root of 23 plus 4, that will be 27 x exponent 3, right? I'm not sure you'll be thinking of x exponent 6. We are only adding, so we take them as like terms. So now, breaking it down to become 27 x exponent 3 exponent 1/3. Don't forget, this is 3 exponent 3. That's 27, right? Then we are bringing in the power. This is 1/3, right? So 1/3 times x exponent already 3, then times what? 1/3. You know this will cancel. 3x, this will cancel. So this becomes 3x raised to the power 2. Don't forget we are having all of this under the same bracket. So now this becomes 3 exponent 2 times x exponent 2. That gives us 9x exponent 2. So in all these roots, just give us 9x exponent 2. I believe you follow through. All right, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.